Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make these really cute white, green, and red earrings. As many of you know, I'm from Bulgaria, so these are the colors of our flag, and this is the earring I'll be making today. It's super simple. All you need for this is red, white, and green yarn. You need some scissors, crochet needle, earring hooks, just like these. You'll also need a crochet hook, and today I'll be using 2.75mm crochet hook. Some pliers for making jewelry. Alright, let's begin. Wrap the yarn 10 times around your finger. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. And then the way this works is when you pull it out the finger, make sure you're holding on to this yarn, otherwise it will shrink the whole thing. You have to start over. To begin, you will be inserting the hook into the ring, grabbing onto the yarn while still holding it with your index and thumb, and then make one stitch. And from here, we're going to go around doing single crochets and see how many you can fit around. I was able to fit 18. If your finger is bigger or smaller, you might be able to fit different number of stitches. Either way, try to remember how many you do the first time around, because you would want to do exactly the same number for the second earring. So here's one single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 18. So I have 18 single crochets in the ring. To connect, let's do a slip stitch in that first single crochet, and there is the middle of the ring. Now from here I'll cut it, and then because I hate tail ends sticking out while I'm trying to work on the rest, I'll just make sure that I hide my tail ends now. So because the stitches are going in this direction, you would want to hide it this way. So just grab your crochet needle, insert it in the back, thread the yarn, and just pull gently. Then you can do that one more time. This ring is nice and bendy, so it's easy to do this very quickly. You can do the same exact earrings by using plastic gasket or a rubber ring. If you would like that middle ring to be exactly in a circle shape, but this works well too. The next step would be to connect the red color. So to do that, insert the hook into one of those stitches, grab onto the red yarn and pull it through to the front. And now be careful when you pull, because if you pull too hard, you might lose the end. What I like to do is I hold on to this tail end and the ring together, and then I make one chain. So from here, what we're going to do is insert the hook into the next one. I'll also crochet in the red in the back. So the red has to be over the hook if you want to do that. The alternative is to just leave it alone and hide it in the end, but I'm gonna do it this way. So grab that yarn and then pull it through and then create a slip stitch. Next, chain 1 and then insert the hook into the next stitch. Again, I'm going to use this on top, so I crochet it in, grab the yarn, pull through, make a slip stitch, chain 1 and then slip stitch into the next single crochet that we did in the previous round, chain 1, slip stitch into the next chain. So as you can see, we're starting to form this curly outline of the earring. Let's continue all the way around, chain 1, slip stitch, Okay, so we went all the way around with the red color too. I'll pull this yarn out, cut it, and then again this will be hidden in the back. Alright, so let's get rid of these tail ends. The last thing I have to do for this ring is to add the green, and the way we'll do that is you insert the hook right here between the white and red round, grab onto this green color and just pull it through so you have this one loose loop on your hook. Okay, so let's pull on this in the back, and from here you're going to do slip stitches. So we'll insert the hook into the next space, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through that first loop that we did. So we have this one slip stitch, one chain, and we're going to do that 18 times. Insert the hook, grab onto the yarn, pull it out, and pull it out through the previous loop. And again, insert the hook into the next space, grab onto the green yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through the previous stitch. And let's keep doing that. Again, for me, that's 18 times. All right, so I went all the way around. I'm gonna pull the yarn out again, cut it, And then I'll use my crochet needle to pull that over to the other side. And then hide it in the back. Let's do the same thing with the other tail end. Cut the excess tails off. And of course, the last thing to do is to add the hook. And that is also super easy. You just open the hook. Make sure you open it sideways. And then I will insert it into the top layer, the red round, and then close it off. And here are my white, green, and red earrings. They're very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. If you like these earrings but you don't feel like going through the tutorial, check them out. They're on my website, martenitsaspirit.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.